Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing this fun spring inspired look. This is actually a collaboration with Victoria Nicole, so I will have her Instagram and her YouTube linked down below, so make sure you check her out. I cannot wait to see what she came up with for our spring inspired looks. And if you guys want to figure out how to do this look, make sure you keep on watching. First, I'm starting out with this gorgeous lightish purple color, and I'm going to start buffing that right above my crease using a pointy brush. Next, I'm going to dive into this darker purple color, but using the same brush, and I'm going to really buff that right into my crease. Next, I'm using this hot pink color on a fluffier brush to kind of just buff everything out and blend this up higher towards my eyebrow. For my cut crease, I'm using the Maybelline Master Conceal in the shade 10 Fair and just applying that with a little synthetic Eco Tools brush to get that perfect cut crease. Diving back in with this dark purple, I'm going to re-emphasize the cut crease with a little pointed brush just right above where I placed that concealer. Using this highlight, I'm going to pop that right on the inner corners of my eyes using a dense eyeshadow brush, and I'm also going to pop that right under my eyebrow on that little arch as well. For a major pop of color, I'm going in with this gorgeous bright yellow, and I'm just popping that right onto my lid using that same dense eyeshadow brush. I'm going in with this amazing orange color just to kind of get a little bit of an ombre effect going on my cut crease. And then this is just the same hot pink from before, and I'm applying this to the very outer corner of my eye to kind of blend everything out. I'm also going back in with a bit of that dark purple to just redefine the outer corner here, and again just blending everything out as best as I can while still kind of keeping the colors separate. This is a gorgeous Stila liquid glitter in the shade Diamond Dust, and I'm going to use a small angled synthetic brush to apply that right on the edge of the cut crease. Next, I'm using the Doucce Fierce and Fine graphic pen to create a natural yet still kind of dramatic wing to accentuate the cut crease. And now I'm just using that same hot pink, dark purple, and bright orange that I used before to blend out and create an ombre effect on my lower lash line. For mascara today, I'm using the Pretty Vulgar Faux Reals mascara, and this is just a nice, natural, feathery looking mascara. For falsies, I'm using the Ardell Professional Magnetic Accents in 01, and I didn't get an application video of this because they're a little difficult to put on. Bronzer today is going to be from the Tarte color wheel. I'm using Concept and just kind of really buffing that all over my face. And my blush is going to be Mod, also from the Tarte color wheel, and I'm going a little heavy-handed with this because it is a spring look, and I'm applying on the apples of my cheeks as well as on my nose. And then finally for lips, this is the Ciate London Lip Luster in the shade Kiss Me, and this is so cute and gorgeous and kind of still natural looking, and I love it. So this is the final finished spring makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'm super excited to be doing this collaboration with Victoria Nicole, so definitely make sure you check out her Instagram and her YouTube channel. I will have them linked, both of them, down below, so definitely make sure you check her out. She is amazing, she is so talented, and I'm so lucky and thrilled to be doing this collaboration with her, so definitely make sure you check her out. If you did like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. While you're down in the down bar, make sure you check me out on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at Eyeleah, EYELEAH. I definitely post some more close-ups of makeup, so definitely make sure you check me out on there. And have a great rest of your day. Thank you guys so much for watching.